Day 38 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. You already know how we go. Today, I need you guys to go ahead, bring your mouse just like this. Bring it right over here and click that subscribe button. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to run these subscriptions up, trying to get to my first 1,000. Right now, I'm trying to get to my first 100 subscribers. So I need you guys' help to do that. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to run the engagement up as well so we can get these videos out to as many people as possible and help grow this Swift community. Um, it's all about contributing to the Swift community and helping it grow. So that's what we're trying to do. So tell a friend to tell a friend that we're doing LeetCode every day, another LeetCode problem. So let's see what question we have here today. Today we have question number 1657. Determine if two strings are close. The difficulty level is medium, but we're not going to let that deter us from doing these questions. We're still going to do it medium or easy. We're not going to let that stop us. We might have to slow down a little bit for the hard questions, but that's just temporary. That's temporary until we understand these medium and easy. Then we'll move on. But either way, we're still going to keep the solution as easy and simple to understand as possible because we're all learning here, guys, and we want everybody to be able to learn and understand and teach themselves these Swift algorithms and data structure principles that they need to know. So with that being said, let's read the question. It says, two strings are considered close if you can obtain one from the other using the following operations. Operation 1, swap any two existing characters. For example, A, B, C, D, E returns, or A, E, C, D, B. Okay, so all they did was swap the B and the E on the first side, word 1, with the E and the B, and they just swapped them for word 2. So let's look at operation 2. Transform every occurrence of one existing character into another existing character and do the same with the other character. For example, AACABB returns BB, or word 1 is AACABB, word 2 is BBCBAA. All of the A's turn into B's and all of the B's turn into A's. Okay, so for operation 2, you could turn all of the same letter into another letter like they did here and basically swap them that way, or you could literally swap them um, in operation 1, any two existing characters. So let's see. Let's see what it says. It says you can use operations on either string as many times as necessary. Given two strings, word 1 and word 2, return true if word 1 and word 2 are close and false otherwise. Okay, so that's a little tricky to understand, but I kind of think I understand what they're saying. Let's look at the example. Example 1, it says input word 1, ABC, word 2, BCA. Output true. You can obtain word 2 from word 1 in two operations. Apply operation 1. So remember, operation 1, you could swap two existing characters. So operation 1, ABC, you swap the B and the C, and now it's ACB. Or you could apply operation 1 another way, and you could swap the AB. So it go ACB, and then you swap them, and now it goes BCA. So example 1 is true because you can apply operation 1 two different times, two different ways. Let's look at example 2. Input word 1 is A, word 2 equals AA. The output is false. It is impossible to attain word 2 from word 1, or vice versa in any other operations. Because there are not equal amount of elements in the string, you cannot attain either word from either word. There's nothing to swap. There's only one letter to swap here in word 1, and there's one extra letter in word 2, so it's impossible to obtain word 2 from word A because they do not have the same number of elements in the string. So let's look at example 3. Example 3 says word 1 equals CA BBA BBBA, and word 2 equals ABBCCC. You attain word 2 from word 1 in 3 operations. So let's see what they did here. And this will be a good example so you can see what operation 2 looks like. So you apply operation 1, and what they did was they switched the A, B on, they switched the B and the A right here, and then they came over here, turned the B into an A, and turned this A into a B. Okay? Then come down operation 2. What they did here, they switched these B's with these C's. So they turned the C's into B's, and they turned the C's into B's and the B's into C's. So this C became a B, and these B's became these C's. So that's how operation 2 works. Remember, operation 2 says transform every occurrence of one existing character into another existing character and do the same with the other character. So that's what they did. They turned the C's into B's and the B's into C's. And they did it one more time, so one more example so you guys could see apply operation 2. They turned the B's into A's in this example, and they turned the A's into B's. So over here, it's A, or the B over here turned into the A, and then the A's over here turned into the B's over here. And that's how operation 2 works. So you might think, that's how in the world are we going to code all that? It's actually not that difficult, and like I said, we're going to keep the solution as easy and simple as possible. I'm sorry about the long explanation, guys. So let's make this quick. So we're going to say let freq1 equal, we're going to declare a constant called freq1. It's going to be word1 dot reduce into, boom, then we're going to reduce it into a dictionary. Then we're going to come over here, we're going to say $0, open up the array type of brackets, or the dictionary brackets, excuse me guys, because we're working with a dictionary. So in this case, they're dictionary brackets, and we're going to say 1 comma default 0, and we'll come right here and we're going to say plus equal 1. And then we basically could copy and paste this whole line right here. We're going to copy it, come down here, paste it right here. We're going to turn this into freq2. We're going to turn this into word 2, and that's all we have to do for that. Then we're going to come right down here, and remember guys, it has to be the same amount of elements, or characters, the same amount of characters in the string. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to say guard freq1 dot keys is equal to freq2 dot keys, else we're going to return false. Boom. That's how we handle that right there. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to say return freq1 dot values dot sorted is equal to freq2 dot values dot sorted. And then we're gonna run that, guys, and let's see what it says. Oh, what happened? Oh, we got a typo. Excuse me, guys. Take that R out of values, and we're gonna run it again. Okay, it's accepted. Let's submit it and see what it says. Fingers crossed, boom! 175 milliseconds beats 73.15% of users with Swift. And that's how we did it today, guys. Another day, another LeetCode problem. I suggest you look over this and try to internalize how this code works. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.